It is day one of the demolition at this home that we're featuring in the video remodel series. So let's go inside and see what they've done. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. They're going to start the demolition here first. And here's a look facing west. And then here is the north side of the kitchen. Soffits are gonna go. And here's the existing stove, prep sink, cabinets. And then on the west side, there's a garage door, which I believe is moving, and the recess area for the fridge. We're now looking at the south side, where the main sink and the dishwasher are right now, and a pantry cupboard. Everything is going to shift over to the left a little bit to make room for some cabinet or something that on that wall, and the south facing wall. This window over here, south facing window above the sink, is going to go. Okay, let's look again at some other place. Carpets are being torn up today. Don't know if the floors will be, but probably this west wall of the dining room and the south wall of the dining room are gonna go. The trim on the doorways are being removed right now. Oops, sorry. Trim in the bathroom, master bathroom closet being removed. The green carpet is going to go today. Both sides, both bedrooms on this main floor. Okay, I think that's the project for today. It's gonna be a lot of work, but they're on it. Day one. Bye now. If you are enjoying this remodel video and want to continue to watch the series from demolition to the installation or replacement of materials, please click on the like and subscribe buttons. There will be upcoming projects that you can also get access to. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share.